how cold is not enough.
Hello loves, and welcome back to the Aislingrose channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to create this makeup look for Halloween. It kind of looks like a galaxy goddess type. Once again, you all know the name before I do. But without further ado, if you all would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep watching. Okay, now that we look like an egg with foundation lips on, I'm going to first be starting off with the eyes. So I'm going to take some black Graftopian Pro paint and I'm going to put that on my eyes on the top and bottom. I'm also going to use that to fill in my brows. And then after that I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and go over all the areas that I just filled in so that they don't move or crease. The paint on itself usually doesn't ever move or crease, but this just really enhances and makes sure that it just stays in place. And it doesn't move because you don't want it to move. Now I'm going to take a black pencil liner and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Now gets to be the fun part. We're going to be filling in black pretty much everywhere. So we're going to be starting from our forehead down to underneath our eyes, and it's going to look like kind of like black is dripping down our face. That's the only way I can really describe it. And then we're going to stop it there and we're going to start back from under here and we're going to do the exact same effect. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with some red paint and I'm going to be using a sponge. I'm just going to be blotting it all over and kind of create a galaxy look. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of white onto the red to just give it more of a galaxy look. We're kind of going for like a black and red galaxy. I think that's what we're going to go with. So now I'm going to take the same white and a small brush. And I'm going to create smaller eyeshadows all over, included with some shooting stars, and just make a full-on galaxy. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on some fake lashes and then we'll move on to the lips. While I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm gonna be taking some more of that red and I'm going to be making streaks down my face as well. And now we're gonna put some red lipstick on and we're gonna make it black around the outside edge. Now I'm going to take some white paint and highlight the outside of the lips. Alright, so that is the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed this. Again, I don't know what I'm calling this. But if you did enjoy it, please do not forget to follow me and hit that thumbs up button along with my notification bell so that you know whenever I upload. And if you would like for me to continue doing makeup looks like this past October and Halloween, then also let me know that in the comments because I'm open for it. I love this type of stuff, so why not? I love you all so much. Thank you for joining my weird little family, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!
You try to come for me, I keep on flourishing you.